Hi guys, I've got a suggestion from Dr. Von Madd and Pack. It's actually a number 1 there, one Pack. No idea. Anyway, got a suggestion that I should try and make a little cardboard track for this little wind-up Thomas the Tank Engine, because I'm pretty sure it comes out of a book that has the track set into the cover. So I've got some cardboard here. It's not quite as thick as I'd like it to be, but I'm going to give it a try. I'm just going to draw out more or less an oval for it to run round, and I'll draw it out on this piece and cut it out and then glue it to the piece below to try and hold it flat. So let's do some measurements. This is 20 centimeters wide, so 10 centimeters in the middle. I really need to leave this to dry, but we'll give it a go. That wasn't a good start, was it? No. Found another piece of card from the same set. So I'm just going to cut round this. Yeah, that might work. I'll glue that one down. I still think it's probably too tight a turn. Well, I've got to say, this has been a lot harder than I expected. I think part of the problem is this is quite a tight radius, so it struggles a little bit, rubs against the edges. Whereas if they were a bigger radius, it'd probably be okay. I've spent a lot of time trying to get this nice and smooth around the inside as well, because it picks up any roughness on the cardboard. I think one fix would be to varnish it and then rub it down so it's nice and smooth. But it's working. Obviously you could paint this and make it look realistic, and if you had more card then you could make a bigger track and make it a little bit more interesting. But it works, so I'll class that as a success. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.